Hello, it's that time of the month again. I am very excited to get my Scrawlrbox. I think there was a bit of a delay this month because they lost the prints and had to get them redone, but it's finally here and I'm very excited. So let's get stuck in. That's always incredibly satisfying. Ooh. Another one of these. I think I got one of these in a previous box, but that was a very long time ago. It's fallen out of the... Oh yeah, there's a little rip in the tissue paper. Let's put that to one side. Get the box out of the way. Ooh. This is sort of got texture a bit like watercolour paper, but it's very thin. And this feels, oh, this looks like pastels. Won't have a look at that just yet. Oh, that's very nice. I can't draw hands at all. I love all the texture in that. That's beautiful. And by DUSD, Dust. There's the, don't know if you can see that, but there's the website and Instagram. Very nice piece of art. Let's get stuck into these supplies. Oh, needed a razor, but that looks like pastel. I'm very intrigued. What could we have? Oh, blimey. Oh, yay, sticker. Always gotta love the sticker. Oh, so we've got another one of these Derwent pastel pencils in white. I honestly can't stand these pencils. I will find someone to give that to because they feel horrible to use. They're not soft pastels, they're chalky ones and they scratch on the paper and I can't be dealing with it. But yeah, and we've definitely had that in a previous box as well. A 2B pencil. Yep, it's a pencil. Not much more to say about that. I'm sure it's quite a nice pencil, but got a bit of an overabundance of them. That. Oh, looks like a retro eyeshadow brush. That'll be very handy with these pastels. Oh, a lemon sweet. Yay, it's not a bubblegum. I'll enjoy that one. And some soft pastels. Ooh, this is very exciting. I thought the box felt heavy. So, oh, it's got a sleeve and a lid. Little some instructions, or is it a colour range booklet? Or, very nice. Oh wow, they're tiny, but look at the colour range. Oh. It says soft pastels. I was imagining them a bit oily. They feel chalky. I might struggle using. Yeah, very scratchy. I think I'm going to struggle using these, but I will. Some sort of. I just don't like the noise and the feel of dragging them across the paper. It's like nails down a chalkboard for me. But they're very beautiful colours. I almost feel like I need something to grip it with. They're teeny tiny. Bitty things. Yeah, let's have a quick look through the zine and then maybe just test out a few of those colours. There's all the stuff we've got. Oh, it looks like we've got different flavours of sweets. I'm very happy I got a lemon one. I like lemon. Can use the kneaded eraser for some highlights and stuff. This pad of textured and slightly toned paper offers a nice perfect pastel shade. It'd be nice to have a bit more information about the paper. Maybe that's available with the QR code, like what GSM is it, what sort of paper is it, that sort of thing. Yeah, not a fan of that. And we've got a white pastel in the box, so I feel like that could have been something else. It might have been a bit more fun, but oh, sit down with the artist. Oh, she does some really beautiful stuff. I'll have a read of that later. Get myself a nice cup of coffee and oh, scrawler tips. I'll need these because I'm not good with chalky pastels. Not something I've used a lot of because of the issues I have using them. Blending. Oh, scrape off some pigment from the pastels. You can use a craft knife or sandpaper block to do this. Oh, that sounds painful. You can then blend them with your finger or a dry paintbrush. That sounds like a nice idea. Some more scrawler tips. Oh, this was the yay! Excuse me. That's Annie and Tori, Cool Kooky Creatures. Who else? Anyone else I see? Kitty Darkstar. Oh, loads of people I know in this month. Oh, well done, everyone. Oh, Kelly Art. Oh, this cat, look at all the texture. That's wonderful. Unconscious creativity. Dreams are full and endless. Oh, that might be an interesting little read. Oh, like this painting. And what's the Scrawler challenge? Dream catcher. Ooh. Used to collect dream catchers when I was younger and my parents were travelling and things. Bit of a cliche, I suppose, but that was what I did. Yeah. Ooh, very nice. Right, let's give these pastels a little bit of a go. How many sheets of paper do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a nice amount of paper. I'm not going to swatch all of them. I just want to have a little. Ooh. Oh, they're such nice colours, but I really am going to struggle with this. That's some sort of sensory issues with this kind of texture and sensation. Oh, but they're so vibrant. Oh, I'm conflicted. It says we can use this white pastel for highlights. Does that even go over them? Oh, nope, 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 nope. What about we do this white pastel over the top? That's a bit better. Not as precise, but yeah. Is there any? I don't want to get this too dirty, so I can use it for an actual art piece, but oh, it lifts up quite a lot of the colour. It makes it softer, and the brush isn't very easy to clean. It makes it softer, but it also makes it less intense. That's kind of stating the obvious, isn't it? And look at the state of my fingers already. Get some gloves on for doing this. Oh. Oh. I won't try this kneaded eraser because I've got another one exactly the same somewhere, and I know somebody who really wants one of these, so Keep that one nice and clean and give it away. Let's just try a few more colours. Gonna have to get my thinking cap on and think about what I could do with these that's not gonna... Maybe I can see what other people are up to and get some inspiration. But it's a very full box and nice supplies. I'm just not sure how well I'm going to get on with them personally, but we'll certainly give it a go. So I'm going to go get a coffee and have a read of the zine. Zine? Zine. I always pronounce that wrong. I don't know why. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.